This video describes the operators in JavaScript. They include the assignment operator, the comparison operators, the arithmetic operator, and the logical operators. Essentially, an operator is a valid unit of code that resolves to a value. There are two types of operators: those that have side effects, such as assigning values, and those that purely evaluate. Arithmetic operators. An arithmetic operator takes numerical values, either literals or variables, as their operands and returns a single numerical value. The standard arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations between numeric operands. The following example demonstrates how arithmetic operators perform different tasks on operands. So we'll declare two variables, x and y. We'll make x equals 5 and y equal 10. Then we'll create another variable called z, and we'll perform an arithmetic operation by adding the two variables. So we'll create a new variable called z, and we will add the two variables that we just declared above, x plus y. Then we will log it to the console, and you will see that z equals 15. Comparison operators. A comparison operator compares its operands and returns a logical value based on whether the comparison is true. The operands can be numerical, string, logical, or object values. JavaScript provides comparison operators that compare two operands and return a Boolean value, true or false. The following examples demonstrate the comparison operators. So to illustrate this, we're going to start off by initializing three variables, a, b, and c. A will equal 5, b will equal 10, and c will be a string value of 5. Then we're going to declare another variable of x, and we're going to assign that the value variable a, which contains the value 5. So the first thing we want to do is compare the variables a to b and determine whether they are equal or not. So we're going to declare a variable of sum. We want to check a and c. So we'll go a, and we're going to say equals 3 times, b. Then we're going to log sum to the console, and we get false, as 5 and 10 is not the same. Another example will be, again, declare a variable of sum equals, and then we're going to use the not equal to operator. A is not equal to b, log sum to the console, and we got true, because that is true that a is not equal to b. That is how we use some of the comparison operators. Assignment operators. An assignment operator assigns a value to its left operand based on the value of its right operand. The simple assignment operator is equal, or the equal symbol, which assigns the value of its right operand to its left operand. JavaScript provides the assignment operators to assign values to variables with less keystrokes. Here are some examples of assignment operators in action. We're going to declare three variables. Let x equals 5. We're going to let y equal 10, and z equals 15. Now we want to assign y's value to x. Now to do that, all we have to do is say x equals y. Now we want to illustrate this by logging x before we've changed the value, and then afterwards as well. So we see the two values. Now prior to the assignment, x was valued at being 5. After changing the value from 5 to y's value, it is now 10. Logical operators. Logical operators are typically used with Boolean values. They return a Boolean value. However, the logical operators actually return the value of one of the specified operands. So if these operators are used with non-Boolean values, they may return a non-Boolean value. In JavaScript, logical operators are used to combine two or more conditions. JavaScript provides the following logical operators. Here's an example of logical operators in action. We're going to declare two variables a and b, a being equals 5 and b equals 10. In order to illustrate this, we're going to declare a variable called condition. Let condition equal a is not equal to B. And we're going to use the AND operator where we use the two ampersands. And then open brackets, A is less than B. We're going to log this condition to the console and see what it gives us. True, because A is not equal to B and A is less than B. So in order for this to equal true, both of these conditions on either side of the operator needs to be true. Thank you for watching. Want to learn more coding and programming tips? Check out our website, like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Check you there.